Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you beautiful collection of high waist pencil skirts ideas. These are the different from each other and beautiful cuts patterns are shared in today's video. I hope you will like these ideas, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. About today's video, don't forget to write in the comment section. If you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared lots of ideas and videos. If you wanna see more pencil skirts ideas, then visit on my channel. There I have shared lots of ideas in videos. I hope you will like those ideas as well. And if you have any kind of demand related to any design, write your demand in the comment section. So now let me say to take care of yourself and your friends. Bye bye.